What's up, guys? Kalen Bryan here today with you from Freedom Life Influencer, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make your first $100 per day on Clickbank without a website or without your own website. So welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I'm going to give you some good valuable content. It's going to be short, but like I said, straight and to the point. If you want to see more videos, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. But also comment in the comment section, give me your thoughts, your feedback, your criticism, or whatever have you, okay? But to get more valuable content, and don't miss any videos that I post, because I'm going to be showing you how to create your own life, how to make passive income, unlimited amount of passive income on a daily basis. So subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss out. Okay, so let's get into the content. Making your first $100 a day on Clickbank without a official website, without a website that you created. So let's go here to Clickbank. So once you log into Clickbank, right? If you don't have a Clickbank account, you go to clickbank.com, and then you can log in. One second. I already have my login here. A new account. I want you guys to see my information. Okay, so I'm logged into my Clickbank account. So once you get your login information from Clickbank, you go in here at the top. It's called Marketplace, right? You select Marketplace, and then you select which category you want to get into. So for those of you who do not know what Clickbank is basically a place where vendors and those who create products, whether it be digital courses or physical products, they go into Clickbank and they post their products on Clickbank, and then affiliates who want to make passive income, like myself and you who watch this video, we go on this and we pick a particular category and we pick a particular product, and then we send traffic to that product and we receive an affiliate commission from that. So, if you probably already heard the top 3 niches to get into: health, wealth, and relationships, right? So once you get into Clickbank, you go to Marketplace and choose your category. So we're going to go with the health and fitness category for this example, okay? So, and I always like to sort by gravity, right? So gravity it shows you this score here. It shows you how many sales this particular offer has gotten in a month, right? So you sort by gravity, 196, about 197 sales per month. That's pretty good. That means this offer is converting really well and people are seeing good results with it. So let's go down and pick a product. Let's go to unlock your hip flexors. Okay, so once you click on the page, so this is the page that when you send traffic to it, this is the page that your traffic will see, right? They'll see everything that the product offers, some results, some good things to help people basically buy this product. And since it has a high gravity score, it's obviously working. So we trust that this affiliate offer is pretty solid, pretty good deal. But in order for you to get traffic to this Clickbank offer without creating your own website, we're going to take this URL, ending at .com. So starting at www and ending at .com, we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go to a site called similarweb.com. Okay. So in similarweb.com, we take that URL, we paste it here, like so. Okay. Enter or search. See, here is unlockmyhips.com, right? And it gives you some information on this. Make sure you can see my screen. Totally. It gives you some information on this website, unlockmyhips.com. So here's a global rank. You see that it is increased. Okay. The main country is the United States. And here's a traffic overview from March to July. And you see it's made a massive increase here. So it's probably a brand new product, which is good. You want to get on products that have not been in the market for a long time, so you can get on that wave upwards. Okay. So total visits within the last 6 months, 310,000 visits. That's pretty good, guys. And then the main country that's getting traffic from is the United States, and most of North America here, some in South America, but mostly in the United States. So that's good also. and then your traffic source. So most of the traffic, about 9% of the traffic, is coming from referrals. And that's basically what we're doing. We're referring people to this offer. And here are the top referring sites. So in order for you to capitalize and use this information for you to get $100 per day, take one of these sites. We'll take the cbengine.com, for example. Okay. So we're going to go to this website, cbengine.com. And this is a website that you did not create, but that is already created. It obviously has some views. It obviously has some people who go on the site loyally and view it. What you can do is you can log in, or you can sign up. You can contact this website owner and say, hey, I have this offer that I want to promote on your site. Will you let me do that? And so more than 9 times out of 10, the website owner will contact you back saying, yeah, you can, give them a banner or give them some kind of content that they can post on their website and advertise to you. Of course, it's going to cost a little bit of money, but if you make one sale a day, and most likely, if this site is already getting traffic, you can make that sale a day. You get one sale a day, and you've already made up the cost that you spent to place your banner ad on their website, and bam, that's it. So let me show you real quickly how you can get some of the affiliate marketing tools. Right, so we're going to go back to our Clickbank here, back to our offer. But what you want to do is go to the affiliate page, not the main page, but the affiliate page, right? And so this is everything that the website or that the creator has given us as affiliates. So it's basically all the tools that we need to promote their product. Okay, they give us some images here. Here's the link. You have the quick affiliate link. Your commission rate is 75%. Average per sale $31. It's not bad. One click upsells, yes. So that means you can make more than $31 with their upsells. But let's find their affiliate tools. Okay. So let's click to enter affiliate profit center for one of these products. Now here we go, promotional tools. So you click one of the offers here. So it has a lot of products within this one. So body weight beasts, you have a lot. So you click one, choose it, and then here's the tools you have, right? So promotional tools, covers and banners. Select the image, then you follow the instructions. You select the image, and then basically when you give this image, it will most likely be a URL. You give this image to the owner of this site, and they post it just like this ad over here is. They'll post it on their site, and then once someone visits this site, they'll click on the ad, and if they sign up, you get a commission. It's that easy, and boom, it's all done. So guys, that's real quick on how you can create and sell Clickbank products and make your first $100 per day online without you having a website at all. And so you can keep utilizing this strategy while you're trying to implement a long-term strategy, like while you're trying to start your YouTube channel or while you're trying to start your own blog and promote your own products, So this is something that you can use to kind of like earn while you learn. You always want to try to make money while you're learning so that you can reinvest into something that's long-term. And speaking of long-term, so I have a couple of tools that I use to create my long-term business. I'm in a promotional, or I'm in a affiliate group called the 4%. And in the 4%, it teaches you step-by-step what you need to do to create your long-term business. How to strategically place yourself in the marketplace, how to brand yourself, how to create content, how to create videos, how to create your website, what kind of photos you need, what kind of language to use, how to get traffic, because traffic is really big in this industry. So the 4% really teaches you step by step. And when I say step by step, I mean like click here or click there. It teaches you how to click funnels, teaches you your email autoresponder, everything you need to know to create a successful business and have a successful business on autopilot. That's what gives us the freedom to do whatever we want to do and make passive income, make income while you sleep by creating these systems and these funnels and these processes so that while you're sleeping, you'll get customers, you get traffic to your site and then more money. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, you can check that link out in the description. It'll be my number one recommendation to making an income, and I'll have others, okay? I have other links in the description to help you grow your business or help you set up your business and also help you grow your business. And one more thing that I have is I got this book by Anik Singal. He just wrote this book. It's called Escape: The 4 Stages to Becoming a Successful Entrepreneur. And guys, in order for us to become successful, in order for anyone to become successful, the first thing that we should do is to copy and model after someone who's already have success, who's already achieved the results that we want. And so Anik has written this book here to help us do just that. And guess what? It's free. It's a free book that you can get today, guys. And that also will be in the link in the description. Like I said, it's free of charge and nothing to you. So just go for it. As well as the 4%, it's like $1 trial. You can, join the program, take a look and see if it's for you. If it's not for you, no risk at all. You just wasted $1. That's it. And then you can just, not sign up for the program or cancel your membership. But hopefully this video has offered you some value and you got a lot of it. Just take action. Start today. Okay, guys. So again, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And like or dislike this video and comment below let me know if this strategy today is helpful or if it wasn't helpful. And if it wasn't helpful, let me know why. Because I'll continue to post a lot of videos just to show you my journey so far and to help you along the way also, because we're here helping each other. If you don't help somebody else get what they want, you can't get what you want. So subscribe, check links out in the description. Peace.